How to choose the right gaming console in 2026. Are you tired of feeling frustrated and lost with so many choices? It feels impossible to pick the right one. I know exactly how you feel. The tech landscape is changing fast. Do not worry, you can fix this problem yourself at home after watching this video. We will break down everything you need to know step by step. Please comment if you face any difficulty. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Tech Vibes. Let us start with step 1. You must check the hardware specifications first. Look for a processor that runs at 3.8 GHz or higher for fast loading. Your console should support 60 frames per second at 4K resolution for the best experience. Step 2 is to look at the exclusive games list. This is very important. Some of the best games only work on specific systems. Check your favorite titles first. Read verified feedback on official support pages to see which exclusives run best. Step 3. Compare the online subscription services and monthly costs. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Account to see the plans. Look for yearly bundles to save money based on high-view YouTube tutorials and Reddit tips. Step 4. You must have enough storage space for your modern games. Modern games can be over 100 gigabytes. Make sure the console has a large SSD. If you run out of space, you can use a verified external SSD to fix the issue. Step 5. Test your home network and your Wi-Fi connection speed. You need at least 50 megabits per second for a smooth online gaming experience. Always use a LAN cable for the most stable connection as suggested by official support. Step 6. Find out what consoles your friends are using right now. Playing with friends is more fun. Check if the console supports cross-platform play. Go to Social, then find friends to verify their current platform before you buy. Finally, step 7. You must set a realistic budget for your setup. Remember to include the price of extra controllers and a high-quality headset. Check Reddit discussions for the best bundle deals to keep your costs low. Follow these verified steps and you will pick the perfect console for your home. I am confident you are now ready to make the right choice. Happy gaming! I will see you in the next video from Tech Vibes.